On this video, we'll teach you how to replace your hard drive on your Aurora R5. Nothing beats peeling off the plastic covers on your new Aurora. Besides, it will avoid any overheating issues that could arise. In order to remove the side panel, pull from this tab on the back to release the panel. Just by doing so, you'll have access to all the hard drive base. To replace the hard drive, simply disconnect the power cable and the data cable. Then use the blue tabs to slide the cage out. Now you can swap the drive and use the same cage to add the new storage device. The same will happen for solid-state drives. Now, simply put the side cover back in until it locks. As always, don't forget to follow us on Facebook and Twitter for our newest support videos.